Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure QuickBooks AI with Xero step by step clearly. Open your browser and navigate to the QuickBooks website. Log in to your QuickBooks account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to the Apps section from the dashboard. In the Apps section, look for the search bar. Type Xero in the search bar and press Enter. Select the Xero integration from the list of available applications. Click on the Get App Now button to initiate the integration process. Follow any prompts to authorize QuickBooks to connect with your Xero account. You may need to enter your Xero login information to allow the integration. Once authorized, review the integration settings provided. Ensure that the necessary permissions are granted for QuickBooks and Xero to communicate. Adjust any settings based on your preferences for data synchronization. Choose the type of data you want to sync, such as invoices, expenses, or contacts. Click on the Save or Connect button to finalize your configuration. After successful setup, verify the connection by checking for any error messages. Go back to your QuickBooks dashboard to ensure Xero appears in your connected apps. Test the integration by performing a sample sync between QuickBooks and Xero. Monitor both applications for accuracy in the data being synced. Make adjustments to your configuration settings as needed to optimize performance. Congratulations, you have successfully configured QuickBooks AI with Xero. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.